change the battery in your Gardtec alarm, you first need to remove the cover of your main alarm panel by unscrewing the screw on the lid of the panel. The alarm will then sound. To silence the alarm, enter your 4-digit user code. With the panel now open, locate the battery and remove the 2 terminals red and black, making sure these don't touch, and removing and replacing the battery. Please note there is live 240 volt power in the transformer, so please be careful and make sure you don't touch this. Also, please make sure you don't knock any of the other wires in the panel, as these may cause your alarm to stop working. Now replace the alarm panel lid, making sure you replace the screw firmly. Reset the system by entering your 4-digit code followed by the number 0. The Smart Security team provide both telephone and on-site engineer support. Simply contact our team explaining your needs and we'll get your system fixed.